This is a video on how to thread the bobbin case on a Singer antique sewing machine. Mine is a class 1530. Take your bobbin case and hold it in your left hand so that this hook is resting on your thumb and the slot is facing up. I put a little piece of paper in here so you could better see the slot. Take that out now. Then take your bobbin, your threaded bobbin, and have the thread facing away from you. Put the bobbin in the bobbin case. Bring the thread up through the slot, then towards you underneath the tension spring, until it snaps. Then bring it back away from you and over to the left. And that's it. To make sure that you've done it right, take a look at the bobbin, pull the thread, and it should turn clockwise, which it does. So now you've threaded your bobbin case. The next step is to put the bobbin case with the bobbin in it into the shuttle. The shuttle on this machine is located under this plate, and it's right there. In order for you to see the shuttle more clearly, I'm going to lift the machine up and give you a better view. Here's a better view of the shuttle for the bobbin. And I'm going to put the bobbin in while the machine is up, just so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. First, I'm going to open the bobbin latch this way and hold it and the thread with my forefinger and thumb. Then I'm going to point this little hook up toward the top of the machine where it fits in. And push that in like that. Get the thread out of the way, close the latch, and you've inserted the bobbin into the shuttle. Okay, I put the machine back in its cabinet in the right position, and now you can see how the bobbin holder with the full bobbin in it sits in the shuttle. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.